Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mike Patrick, and in this video, I want to just really quickly, every now and then, I like to try to show you guys an example of some of the different types of meals, just to give you a visual, okay, of things, all right, in case you're trying to transition and, live a healthier lifestyle, all right. All right, so, of course, today we have Champ with us, Napoleon. So you want to say hi, Napoleon?
Hi.
All right, then we have Vashti here, DV. I guess she's not going to say hi. You guys going to say hi? Well, you Vashti. Okay, that's her way of saying hi. Okay, she's Wonder Woman or somebody right now. All right, all right. So guys, anyway, we have Swiss chard here. We have Italian kale, and we have regular kale. Okay, regular green kale, and we also have. I guess everybody ate their purple,
Gummy.
their red kale, and we have gum. We'll get to the gummies. All right. So, this is all organic, guys. Try to eat organic if you can. When you get your greens, all right, and your produce, try to get organic if you can. That means it's not treated with pesticides and herbicides and things of that nature, okay? And there's at this point there's question whether organic is really organic, but just all you can do is the best you can. If you're not growing it yourself, then you can't be 100% sure, but you just try to do the best you can, okay? Now, this food is good for us. Once again, to reiterate, we know this is raw, living food, okay? So it has biophoton energy, life force energy. It's living food, high vibrational food, okay, that transfers to your body and your cells, okay? And that's on more of a spiritual, metaphysical level, okay? But as far as, physically, we know these foods are good for your body because they are very high sources of different vitamins and minerals and things of that nature, right guys? Right guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So the thing is, oh yeah, I'm not talking to the camera, guys. I'm talking to you guys when I say that. So guys, and the thing is, it's very important for the young kids to get these types of foods because in this particular point in time, guys, a lot of food, okay, a lot of processed foods, okay, a lot of inorganic foods, okay, a lot of genetically modified foods they're losing their nutrient count, okay. They're not as nutritious, not as potent as they used to be, okay. And so even for this food right here, right, 9 times out of 10 these greens, each one of these different types of greens are probably not as potent as they were, say, 100 years ago when you grew these particular greens, okay. So the thing about it is, with children, guys, we have to make sure with their growing bodies that they're getting all their nutrients, okay, and not synthetically, okay. So not just popping a multivitamin, okay. That's good for supplementation, but you want to get as much as your vitamins and minerals and nutrients from your actual food. So
That
this
would
is
be telling you.
yeah, there you go, boo. And so this is a good way to make sure your kids are getting all the nutrients they need in order for them to maximize their physical potential as well, okay? So growth won't be stunted, so, they won't be sick, immune, because we know that these foods help with your immune system, keep your immune system up.
I saw you gonna throw up.
There you go, so you won't get sick, yeah, like get the flu and things like that, and ultimately throw up and stuff like that. So, at this day and time, there's a lot going on, so you have to keep the children immune systems up, right? And even us as adults, we got to keep our immune systems
Every
up
day.
every day, right? Every day, putting things in our bodies to keep up our immune system and fortify our immune system. So also we know that greens have plenty of what in them? What pigment, guys?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. So we know that the chlorophyll is good for our blood, okay? Chlorophyll is just like your blood, all right? So you're adding to your blood, you're cleaning your blood, you're adding to your blood, okay? And chlorophyll helps detoxify the body. So we constantly need to detox mildly every day. You may do a hard detox maybe once, maybe a couple times a month, okay, but you also should be living a lifestyle of detoxification. So therefore, when you eat foods like this helps detox the body, okay, with the chlorophyll, okay, and the fiber, okay. We know these are high fiber content foods, okay. And we also know these are live foods, so they have enzymes, okay, for your stomach, okay. Great, good enzymes to help transport the different nutrients, okay, throughout your body. All right, the living enzymes. Right. And not to mention, what did you guys just finish drinking?
Smoothie.
But you had a
I'm
smoothie.
talking about.
What else did you guys drink?
I need kombucha.
And kombucha, right? And we know kombucha is raw living food as well. It's a drink, okay? It's fermented tea, okay? And we know that has a lot of healthy probiotics in it, okay? Because we know in order to absorb these nutrients, you got to have plenty of enzymes and probiotics in your gut to help break down these foods, right, and nutrients. All right, so this is just, like I said, this is an example, guys. I'm about to make mine in a little while, but you know, I just thought, you know, they like to get on camera, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you guys again an example, a visual of how you can do it as far as transitioning. Maybe if you're trying to get your kids healthier and things like that.
That's fun.
All right, guys. So say peace.
Peace.
All right, guys.
Child and
Oh yeah. We talked about also. Okay, so yes. So also we got Black Forest gummy bears. So when you do want to, you know, give your kids things that are fun, you know, so they can still be children and, you know, and eat things that they really truly do. They enjoy eating their greens and stuff because they know the importance of it. But you know,
nutrients.
Right, but your nutrients, right? But you know, we know also kids like, you know, candies and things like that, things that's sweet. So the thing about it, you can make healthier choices even with that though. So like the Black Forest gummy bears, guys, these ones aren't the organic ones. I usually get the organic ones, but these ones are pretty good too in comparison to most candies and stuff. It doesn't have, like, for example, it uses natural coloring. So as opposed to, you know, synthetic colors like red 40 and stuff like that, all that stuff is, there's been studies and there is a lot of information out on how these things actually affect kids in a negative manner, okay? Some of these artificial colors and things like that. So they use natural coloring, like, so for, say, for the orange gummies, they use beta carotene, okay? For the green gummies, they use spirulina extract, okay? For the orange gummies, they use turmeric and things like that. So, you know, they use natural coloring, okay? And so these are a healthier option, and they taste great still. They taste just either better, even in some cases, even better than some of the stuff you can get that we know is not healthy. So another thing you can look at, just always try to get yourself into the habit of looking at labels, okay? Don't just pick up something. Don't just read the front and just, you know, I like this, so you just pick it up. Try to start reading what may be in your food, okay? That's another good way to get started, okay? And to start making yourself more mindful and, bless you, boo, unconscious of what you got going on. All right, guys. So what you got, you know, in your food, okay? So thanks, guys. Hopefully this was a helpful video, and see you next time. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.